pains and horizon, where broken hearts and wishes blend, chasing stars that never brighten in the twilight's gentle end. Oh, the pains and horizon, echoes of what used to be. In the silent nights we're finding all the parts of you and me. Winds of change blow through the hollow space. Memories linger in a forgotten place. Time can heal, but it can also scar, leaving traces of who we were. Oh, the pains and horizon, where broken hearts and wishes blend, chasing stars that never brighten in the twilight's gentle